How to save a file to Google Drive on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to save any file on Dropbox to your Google Drive easily. First thing, go to Google Drive. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to save to your Google Drive. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on those three dots right here, and now scroll down until you find export option. Click on export. Now choose drive right here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.